welcome or welcome back to our channel. It's 5:30 in the morning and we are traveling to, not we as in Gauri, she is not here and I'm missing her so much, but me and my family is traveling to a beautiful place called Bhigwan, which is 2 hours from Pune, and we're starting now. So I just thought of vlogging. I don't know whether I'm gonna complete this vlog or not, but you will see. Okay, so bye bye. Just reached our location and my sister and my Jiju will tell you about this place.
Hey guys, hello everyone, hi. So we are at Bhigwan and it's a nice morning, good light. And hopefully we get to see some flamingos and some more birds. We can see a lot of ducks, lots of coots and a black-headed gull, some sandpipers. It's a birdwatcher's paradise.
So at Bhigwan there are various birding points, and we have opted for an option called birding point, which is of his friend.
Yeah, that's a very old friend of ours. So we used to organize camps to this place. I used to handle those camps. So it's an old friend. I'm visiting this place after 7 years, so feeling quite nostalgic, quite nice.
And I am coming here for the first time.
Same here. My sister and my Jiju are naturalists, so they will give you all the information. So let's just go.
ह्याचं नाव तिलापिया आहे, इंग्लिशमध्ये ज्याला तिलापिया म्हणतात. दिस इज अ कार्निवोरस फिश who feeds on other fishes.
Okay. Hi Vaishudai. The main attraction of this place is flamingos, and there they are. I'm watching them for the very first time in my life and they are beautiful. Wait, I'll show you. Bird watching since 2 hours now, which is a lot for me but not for them. They are fighting over ye kaun sa bird, and for me everything is like kavra chimney. So they are judging me, everyone is judging me here, and yeah, so we are kind of having fun. This place is beautiful but I'm very confused between all the birds. बहुत मुश्किल से एक बर्ड का नाम मेरे को याद होता है, and then वो बर्ड है ही नहीं. So I don't know. What are your views, guys?
हम अपने कमजोर स्टूडेंट्स का हाथ कभी नहीं छोड़ते.
Arre. So Didi, what do you feel about my bird watching skills?
I don't feel anything. I have lost hopes very early in my life.
उगाच. जिजू तुला वाटतं का हे खरं आहे?
उम्मीद नाही.
काय ग?
मी किती एफर्ट्स घेते. तुला काय इंटरेस्टच नाहीये.
कुठला पक्षी लक्षात राहिला तुझा?
डॅम.
मार खाशील.
असं होतं त्यानंतर.
याचं नाव रफ.
ROUG RUFF.
Rough. Rough.
या फ्लेमिंगोचं काय नाटक आहे चौघजण
त्यांना का आले म्हणून.
Wait. Hi. Flamingos का आलेत सांगा.
ते तुम्हाला सांगा आमचं रोजच आहे रोज ते सांगून
सांग. जिजू फ्लेमिंगोस का आलेत?
खायला आलं तिकडे खरंच
आपल्याकडे खातात पितात आणि राहतात एवढंच
खरंच खायला आलं ते
त्यांच्याकडे खूप थंडी असते ना त्यामुळे आपल्याकडे येतात
ओके.
ट्रॅव्हल करतात
बीक मध्ये
ओपन असतात ते कधीच मिटत नाही त्यांची ओपन
क्रिस्टेशियन्स ठेवतात आणि ते बघ त्याने पकडलं फिश.
नाव काय त्याचं तो
ओपन बिल्स.
This is happening from last 3 hours and I am not really into birding, but yeah, I'm enjoying it kind of, but yeah, that's life when you have two naturalists in your home. उगाच उभी नको राहू. So finally after almost 5 hours we are done with bird watching. काहीतरी करा यार. Done and dusted. I can finally go and eat something and I'm hungry AF. श्वेता हे काय सांग हे काय आहे. To attend a meeting in 10 minutes. I'm just getting my laptop. Perks of work from home, so I can work from anywhere. From home, so I can work from anywhere. And finally, so we are done with the food and the misal was amazing. Now we are going back to home, so see you there. Bye bye. Hey, it's 4:30 in the afternoon and we are finally home. I hope you like this video. Like, I'm not a professional vlogger, so I just tried something out. And if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Bye.